Hi, my name's Charlie Butcher and I'm the lead educator for Curlsmith. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for when you're diffusing your hair. To get the most out of your diffusing, you need to prep the hair. So we started by applying the Frizz Control Duo Conditioner as a leave-in to moisturise and prime the hair. After the leave-in conditioner, I misted through Miracle Shield to protect the hair from heat. And then we applied the Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer as a styler, which has got a medium hold in there. I made sure the hair was soaking wet when applying both products to really get the definition and reduce any frizz. We can see now, looking at the hair, I'm happy with the product application and the way it's looking. So before we diffuse, a top tip to do is to use a microfiber towel to remove the excess water from the hair before applying the diffuser. To start, I'm going to use the hover diffuse method just to dry the root. And as you do this, you want to rotate the head round to the side and then to the other side and then forward, so you can really get all areas of the root. And this is a really top tip to ensure that you're not left with damp roots at the end of the diffusing process. I'm going to use the diffuser to start off with on a low speed and medium heat. Now that we've used the hover method to dry the roots, we're going to use the Pixie method to diffuse the ends. I'm going to get Neosa to tilt her head back, and I'm going to cut all of the ends from the back to really get the length to start off with, and then I will move round to the sides and then flip over. So again, I'm going to use a dryer on a low speed, but this time I am going to bump the heat up to high. It won't create frizz because this hairdryer has been specifically designed with curls in mind. And you can see the benefits of the large diffuser in how quickly it's taken me to dry her hair. As you saw, when I was diffusing, I was trying to not touch the hair, so that's a great tip to avoid touching the hair whilst it's drying. Once it gets more on the drier side, you can then involve your hands if you want to, but I would wait until the hair's almost dry. Also, when I was doing the Pixie method, another common mistake what people tend to do is they will gather the hair in the diffuser bowl and they will diffuse like this, going straight up. If you turn into the scalp, it just means that that heat then still dries the roots because the roots weren't 100% dry. So whilst Pixie diffusing, just do that action, gather the hair and turn it in towards the scalp so you can benefit from the heat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.